We've got the heartiness of butterbeans, the spiciness of chorizo, and the creamy tanginess of feta that all comes together in this delicious, warming and comforting soup. And it's all ready in less than 20 minutes. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Now this spicy chorizo, butterbean and feta soup is hearty and delicious. It's simple and pretty inexpensive too. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by adding about a teaspoon of oil to a large frying pan and heating that over a medium heat. Once that oil's heated through, we're going to add in a finely diced onion and 85 grams, which is about 3 ounces of chopped chorizo. Now fry all that together for about 5 to 6 minutes until the onion starts to go translucent and the chorizo starts to release its oils. Next in goes a 400 gram or 14 ounce tin of finely chopped tomatoes. We're also going to add in 300 ml, which is about 1 1/4 cups of chicken stock, a tablespoon of tomato puree or paste if you're in the US, a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of thyme, and a good pinch of salt and pepper. Now stir all that together and simmer for about 7 to 8 minutes, stirring occasionally. That simmering time will help bring all the lovely flavours of the sauce together and help thicken it too. Then we take a 400 gram or 14 ounce tin of butter beans, rinse them, drain them and then add them into the pan and stir together. They just need about another 2 minutes to heat through and then your soup's ready for dishing up and the toppings. Now this soup will make 2 hearty servings, but you could split it between 3 bowls if you want 3 lighter portions. So I'm topping this soup off with some lovely creamy feta and then a sprinkling of fresh peppery watercress. I love the flavour combinations of the chorizo, butter beans and feta. They work so well to form a hearty soup that's almost like a stew. It's so comforting and filling. Now if you're looking for more dinner ideas, I've queued a playlist of my favourites for you here. See you next time.